Yes, in doing tutorial of stick through on networking, you need to first prepare your tools. In that moment, since I have a tools, so I cut a blue wire, I mean the inside of the wire, so that I can proceed what are the next steps or the things I should do after that. So I make sure that wire is okay every time you cut it, because there's a possibility that your wire cannot work because of the problem. So you should make sure that your wire is okay. Yes, I check it as you can see, then I remove it easily. After removing the unnecessary, so I need to straight the wire so that I can proceed the next step. So as you can see, I cut there the center because it's not important. Yes. Since I was done in cutting, so I proceed to coloring. So in stick through, there's a sequence of coloring by each wire. Then you need to follow it so that the things you did or the things you want to do, make it good and clear and satisfying. Yes, as you can see, I saw it, I check it rather so that I can define that it's okay. And I use add some tools again to make it good and to make it clear, the camper. Yes, I use it for the good impact or the good outcome of what I'm doing. So as you can see guys, this time I put it in RG45. By using RG45, is not necessary that you need to put it or to push it forcefully. You need only that pose easily so that it can make a problem. Yes, I see everything so that I can define where is the problem. So since I was done in putting a RG45 by each in stick through, so I check anywhere and I check everywhere if that's okay, because there's a possibility the RG and the wire doesn't work because of some problems. So this time I try to tester my work. So as you can see, it's working and I'm happy for that, because finally my work replaced in a good outcome. I mean, my hardest work replaced a good outcome. So to make sure that if doesn't work, I try my best to do it again the tester, so that I can make sure if that's okay and that's functioning. And I think that was not a problem, so that I remove it. Thank you.